in this particular stage of the set and operations on set, we want to take a look at two set problems. So this is a question under two set problems. Now, if you studied from the previous videos, we took a look at two set Venn diagrams and the regions in it and how we describe them by the set operations. Here, I'll take my time and describe the regions by virtue of the question given. Now, in the question, it reads, in a class of 40 students, 30 read mathematics and 20 read English. Each student reads at least one subject. How many students read both mathematics and English? So it is asking us for both. So in solving, we would have to draw a Venn diagram to represent the data. But before that, let's put down the parameters. In a class, there are 40 students. So universal set, number for the universal set will be 40. So the number for the universal set will be 40. Now 30 of them read mathematics. So number for mathematics, let M be mathematics. Let M be mathematics. So N for mathematics. Number who read mathematics will be equal to 30. And then let E be those who read English. So number of English, E for English. English will be equal to 20. Now each student read at least one of subject means that there is no student who doesn't do anything. There is an activity for every student. So a student can do either maths or do English or do both maths and English. That's the meaning of each student read at least one of the subject. Now it wants to question asks that we should find a number of students who do both maths and English. So a number of students who do both maths, so maths intersection English. That's what we are looking for. Now we draw the Venn diagram that way. So when you draw the Venn diagram, your universal set will be here. U for universal set. Then the first set for mathematics, M for maths, and then the other set for English. So we will then say, let M intersection E, let it represent X, or let's represent it with X. Now X should be here. Now those who do maths, they are 30, and those who do English, they are 20. So let's put 20 here. Now this is it. Since this part, we realize that the part for M has a little part of English in it. So the one for M only, that is to say M only, those who do M only. So if you want to get those in mathematics alone, that is this region of shaded, then you have to subtract 30 and then the X. That is 30 minus X, where the X is a part of the English. So it becomes 30 minus X, because the entire 30 belongs to the M, where English is also part. The maths where English is part of it. So then if you want maths only, then you'll be 30 minus X. Always keep it at the back of your brain. That if the question doesn't state that maths only, they state maths, it means it is the entire maths. But if the question limits itself to only, it means that we will not subtract. Anytime you hear the only, we don't subtract. But if you don't hear the only, we have to subtract. The same thing applies to English. It says English is 20. So if English is 20, it means the entire region or the subset for English is 20. But part of it is X. So to get only English, it will be 20 minus X. So now we understand the reason for subtracting. Now this is the meaning. Everything in this subset should sum up to the universal set, which is 40. So we add everything here to be equal to 40. So we have 30 minus X in the first region. And then this region here is plus X, that is the intersection. So plus X. Then plus the next region becoming the third region, which is 20 minus X. Then everything in the three region must sum up to 40. So equal to 40. Then we continue. Now the bracket will open, so it becomes 30 minus X plus 20 minus X is equal to 40. Now minus X plus X will cancel out, so this will give us 0. The negative of X and the positive of X from algebra is 0. So we have minus and plus going to 0. So 30 then plus 20 minus X is equal to 40. So we group like terms. Take X to this side, take 40. But before that, let's add these two. 20 plus 30 is 50 minus X is equal to 40. So we swap so that the X will be positive. They'll bring the 40 here. So it becomes 50, grouping the like terms for constant. 50, then 40 comes to the left-hand side to be minus 40. Is equal to negative x goes to the right-hand side to be positive x. Now 50 minus 40 is 10. Is equal to x. So therefore, the value of x is 10. Now if we have the value of x is 10, we can then conclude that the intersection of the maths and the English is 10. We can also say therefore, the number for M intersection E, which is M intersection E, maths intersection English is 10. So we have 10 for the question they asked. So the students who read both maths and English, or both mathematics and English, will become 10. That means 10 students read both mathematics and English. Thank you.